Welcome to TrafficGuard. In this video, we are here to talk about ad fraud in the mobile marketing industry and how taking early steps to prevent harm can save you a whole world of pain as your product develops. With conservative estimates revealing more than 8 million apps globally, each one investing millions in consumer acquisition, it's a market that attracts untold numbers of unwelcome guests. Figures from 2021 show that 7% of app installations on iOS devices and 12% of installations on Androids were non-human. Worse yet, there was a 20% post-installation fraud rate from Apple's app marketplace, leading them to remove 170 million fraudulent accounts. But at TrafficGuard, we know the pressure that you are under. You'll be worrying about acquiring and maintaining investor confidence, about your consumers and the problems that they are facing. But there's only one key issue that may not be in front of you right now, and it puts your entire project in jeopardy. It's fraud. We will show you how fraud cost the most famous app in the world more than $17 million before they even realized they had a crisis on their hands. Most importantly, we will offer you a few simple steps to ensure that it doesn't happen to you. So please stay with us for the roadmap to a successful launch. Let me take you back to Uber in early 2017. With years of success behind them, and off the back of their global launch, Uber were getting confused when changes in their customer acquisition strategy weren't delivering the outcomes in the app downloads that they expected. They put a hold on all advertising payments that prompted a cascade of lawsuits, first from their advertising agencies and then from more than 100 suppliers. They were seeking up to 17 million in compensations, as well as an additional amount for punitive damage. They had discovered a wide-scale culture of fraud that continued for many months. But Uber never got the $17 million back. Their cases against dozens of other suppliers remain back up for the foreseeable future. They say that a stitch in time saves 9, but in Uber's case, it could have saved them $17 million they identified, and countless more wasted pursuing inappropriate strategies based on bad information. At TrafficGuard, we recognize several key areas where getting ad fraud strategies in place from the start creates solid foundations for stellar growth. We are here to help you, to limit the impact of invalid traffic at all stages of your development. After the public meltdown at Uber, savvy investors are looking for teams that understand the pitfalls ahead of and they will manage their money wisely. With fraudulent data sets, effective strategy planning, ad fraud prevention ensures that bad data is excluded from your consideration before it even enters your ecosystem. As you commit to customer acquisition activities, ad fraud technologies ensure that you're paying and prioritizing the channels that work. They maintain a healthy relationship with advertising, media, and supplier networks, building the confidence and trust that contributes to a long-term productive relationship. They make sure not a cent of your investment cash is wasted on fraudulent, irrelevant, unverified traffic. Ad fraud technologies ensure your communication teams can identify and develop consumer messaging that works, while cutting off unproductive creative executions. And finally, clean data enables you to optimize your product market fit, delivering a steeper growth curve and a more satisfied customer. Getting ad fraud prevention wrong can create a snowball effect that damages the long-term health of your business. Importantly, at TrafficGuard, our system and capability make a quick and easy win for you. We offer clickstream integrations that will take the pressure off you to enable ad fraud detection services. We use artificial intelligence and machine learning that analyze combinations of indicators over time that target actively from both legacy and sophisticated invalid traffic attempts. We layer ad fraud protection across all campaigns, ensuring every engagement blocks invalid traffic. We ensure clicks, installs, and every subsequent event comes from a real user with genuine intent. And we know it pays off. By minimizing investments in invalid traffic and advertising fraud, TrafficGuard slashes marketing costs. Recent campaigns saw us reduce cost per install for an app developers by 72%. We saw the cost per acquisition drop by more than 78%. Our customer, Brazil-based demand delivery app Rappi, was focused on rapid growth, an already difficult task in a crowded market. Ad fraud was affecting their business in many ways. Some of the worst effects included high volatile click volumes that made traffic analysis difficult, low conversion rates, and a huge drain of resources. They estimated that 30% of the growth team's time was spent manually analyzing and cleaning up data for optimization. Ultimately, it was a perfect storm of problems that were inhibiting the trade-off they needed between skill and risk. Turning on TrafficGuards invalidated 25% of Rappi's clicks before attribution could occur. Give back the growth team 30% more time by mitigating the need for manual data cleaning. We saw an improvement of ROI by 25% due to a reduction in wasted ad spend. It was a win that put them back into the path of growth. So that's where TrafficGuard is here to help you. Putting ad fraud in at the foundation of your business gives you the confidence in your strategy and the capability that investors need. It gives you the opportunity to scale with real users expressing genuine interest. It allows you to develop your product with full clarity of your product market fit. And it overcomes yet another hurdle in the road to your success. So please have a chat with your account manager and tell us how we can help you take the first steps. Thank you for watching.